How to cancel Lightroom subscription. So if you want to cancel Lightroom subscription, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Now, you won't be able to change or cancel your subscription on your Lightroom application, but you need to go with your browser. So you need to open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for how to cancel Lightroom subscription, and it will give you the interface, right? You need to go with the website, which is accounts.adobe.com/plans. Once you go with it, then it will take you to your plans section. So here, as you can see, that this is the Adobe Help Center. So here it says that if you've purchased directly from Adobe, then you need to take these steps to cancel your individual trial or subscription from your Adobe account. So first you need to sign in to account.adobe.com/plans. And once you've signed into that, you need to select Manage Plan for the plan you want to cancel. So for example, if you have the photography plan, then you just need simply select on Manage Plan. And if you have Lightroom subscription, then you will have the Lightroom option right here. You need to just click on Manage Plan. Once you click on Manage Plan, you need to select the plan that you would like to cancel. So here on the right side, you will have Cancel Your Plan. Click on Cancel Plan. Or if you want to change, you can go and change your plan. But if you want to cancel, just click on Cancel Your Plan. And after that, you can continue to cancel. And then again, select Continue, indicate the reason for the cancellation, and then select Continue, review the cancellation details, and then click on Confirm Cancellation. In this way, you'll be able to cancel Lightroom subscription. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.